Good morning from Boardwalk. It's our last morning. We are just packing up now and we are off to Disney's Vero Beach for a couple of nights before we fly home. It's our first time going there, so looking forward to it just to see how different it is. So it's on the east coast and the resort's literally right on the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. So it's going to be really hot today. Apparently it's going to be the hottest day today, so at least we're travelling over. It's not going to be too long. Simon's checked, it's going to be about just under 2 hours to get there, but we are just packing up now and we'll be heading off maybe in about half an hour to an hour's time, and then we'll see you on the other side and see what it's like. We've had a great time here at Disney. It's been so relaxed, just the two of us. It's the first time, as I said, in 30 years that we've been on our own at Disney, so it's been really nice just to be able to take it easy and just do what we want to do and just chill out. So hopefully you've enjoyed some of the vlogs I've put on. If you have, please like and subscribe for our future trip, which is in September as well, so lots to come. I'll sign off now and we will see you at Vero Beach. No. Hi there. Thank you. We're here. I'm just walking in the entrance. Lovely. Oh, it's lovely. God, it's cool. Left. Lobby. It's beautiful. It's small, but it's just nice for the size of the resort. And then you've got your check-ins just over here at the right and the shop at the back, which we'll bob in later. Okay, welcome to Vero Beach. We're here. It is beautiful. I don't know whether you can hear. It's just the sea. I don't know whether you can pick it up. It's beautiful. So this is the inn, which is where we are going to be staying. We're in one of these rooms over to the right, I think, but I don't know which one yet because we haven't been given our room yet. Simon's just gone to park the car. The Wind and Waves grill is just here. We've actually booked in, we've got a reservation for that tonight. I booked that by your open table, and just with us arriving today and not really knowing anything, we thought it would be better if we just booked in. So, but this is the main entrance in, and then just ahead is the pool, and I believe the mini golf's the other side, and then there's two paths down to the ocean just to the right, which is just on the other side of these bushes. It's just, that's all you can hear is the water. It sounds lovely. the staff are so friendly. There is little I presume they're like little 1-bed and 2-bed cottages, which you can rent as well. But obviously we've just got a studio for the time that we're here. Okay, so we're here. This is our room, 229, and then we go. Be prepared. Okay, so this is our lobby. This dance floor is our lobby. Got some little hooks here, and it is a lock-off room, so that's obviously going to be for next door. On there, we have a little. We're in the inn rather than one of the studios, but we still have the fridge, coffee machine, microwave, and I'm assuming we'll have some sort of, oh yeah, all proper cups and everything, Simon. In here, and then the coffee and whatnot's all here. What's the tea? Oh, there's tea. I don't know how you're going to make it. I'll have to ask for the kettle. And then we've got a little, just a little dresser unit thing, full dining, table and chairs, big mirror, beautiful. You can just see the rest of the inn out of that window there. And then you come round this corner here. I'm assuming these are our wardrobes. We haven't even looked at anything. Yeah, this is our wardrobe here. There we go, just a standard Disney wardrobe with safe. There's a pack-away crib, and of course the usual suitcase stand and the ironing board and the iron. And then we come here now, just before we go any further. There's our view. There's our view. I'm hoping you can see how lush that sea is. I'll move along a bit so you can see. So this is our view. Some people in the sea just down there. I don't know whether you can pick them up. Some people swimming in the sea just over here. But this is our view. Definitely ocean view. Beautiful. Okay, and you come round. So this is our bedroom. We've got 2 double beds. Now, if you're staying in the studio, you get a double bed and a sofa, but you don't get the ocean view with those, which is why we went for the inn, so we could have the ocean view instead. And then we've got the sink, lovely sink, worktop, and the bathroom. Okay, and you've got the shower, toilet. Actually, there's not many towels here. You'll have to ask about that. Oh, the towels are around the back there. Oh yes. So it's here with the door shut. It's a huge bathroom as well here too, and there's a mirror on the back of the door there as well. And then I come through here. We've got a giant telly and middle section, nice chair, comfy chair, and then our balcony, which is at the side. So we're at the end of the building. So no, I came out before and I tripped, so make sure it's home. The chairs are lovely, look at that. We've got the lovely turtles on. And then you come round here, and this is our side view / ocean view out there as well. And as I say, those villas are here that I pointed out downstairs. There's a hammock just down here as well. Might get Simon to go lie there so I can film me. That sea is so green, it's beautiful. There's a little boat out there at the moment as well. Okay, so we've just come out of this end of the main inn. So we've got the, what do you call that beanbag thing game again?
Cornhole.
Cornhole. Yeah, and then we're just walking along. We're going to get something to eat. Just at this takeaway thing. Nice hammock there. Chill on there. You're trying it, sir? Dance silent. Alright, I've not got a film, I'm getting on it. I'll let you know how it goes. So we're just walking through the beautiful canopy to the ocean. It's beautiful. Just on the boardwalk at the top here. It's beautiful, isn't it? See what's all the way along there. The tide's quite weird. It is a public beach, but it's so important to get access into here and what have you. And you can rent the seats and the umbrellas and the do cabanas as well, which are just further back there, don't they? It's people on so and then the do kayak and we'll pay for extra as well. It's beautiful.
Not on the side, but
Sorry, I thought you'd said Kim. Did you? I thought you'd said Kim. But that's okay, no, it's fine.
you did say Kim.
Kim? Yes. Okay, I am.
My wife is.
Oh, I'm Kim as well.
You didn't get that, did you?
No. Hi, how you doing? Good, how are you? Okay. Anything else? That'll do it. All right, your name? Davis.
This shop goes all the way back. That's really cool. You pay over there, but you get, if it's time you wanted to drink, we have to drink in the room, but we've got to bring it down. So, you still need to buy just a cup rather than buy the mug, the refillable mug. So it was $4 for the drink, but you can refill it 4 times free. So, which is really good for what we need. So that's like so nice. Yeah, we just popped into the pool. It's really difficult. I can't really film the pool. Obviously there's a lot of kids and well, not too many, but there's people in the pool. So they've got a nice big slide there. There's a little kiddies pool around this side. And behind me is a miniature golf, crazy golf thing. You can see it's just over there. All of that's free. Which is a sign it's parked to be in a nice shady spot under a lovely palm tree. It's beautiful, the resort's lovely. We just had a sandwich. I had a chicken, Mediterranean chicken pitta. Came with fries, with the pitta had grilled chicken in, and then just like a Mediterranean salad with feta and everything. It was really nice. Had like a dressing on. Dressing was a bit bland, so I just put a little bit of mayo on top just to give it a bit more flavour. But yeah, it was really nice. And Simon just had the cheese and ham sandwich, which he could have had hot or cold. He just had a cold, but there's a pound of ham in. It was like a full packet of ham in it. Even he said by the end of it, there's a bit too much ham in here for me. So the plan now is just to have a little relax here, and then we may have a walk along the beach, and then we've have dinner at the Wind and Waves restaurant, which is in the main area. When we checked in, the lady gave me some information on a couple of places to go. There was the Sebastian State Park Inlet State Park, it's right on the beach, and Pelican Island and McKee's Botanical Gardens, which she said is absolutely beautiful. So we'll have a look through the bits of information we've got and make a decision, because we would like to do something else tomorrow, and then just come back to the resort later on. So it's right down by the shore now. There is hundreds of shells on this beach. I've picked a couple up. It's known for its shells. Nice ones, so I'll take them as a little souvenir. Okay, we've just come along the beach a little bit, and there's what they do is they block it. The turtles have laid their eggs. What they do is, you can see, they've got like red tape around and everything, and you've got to keep away from them because that's where the eggs are buried. So there's a couple along there, and there's one just here. And they just ask you obviously to respect that that's where the turtles laid their eggs, and to keep out of the way. There's nobody along here. There's one couple. This is deserted, and then there's other little beachfront condos and whatnot along here as well. Just here for our dinner tonight. It's the specials. Okay, we're in the Wind and Waves for a meal. This is our little bread basket. So we've got like a brioche buns and a cornbread. Cornbread's lovely, it's so warm. I've started it already. And then you've got the open grill here. So you can actually watch them cook in the meal. So I'm going to have the wood-fired pizza because it's a special for the night. And Simon's having fish and chips, which is a mahi fish and fries. Well, I'm sure it was fries rather than chips. I'll just show you the upper bit. I don't there's people eating, so obviously I don't want to film any further down. So this is what it looks like from up here. Like a maritime theme to it. So I'll let you know how it is after the meal. Okay, this is Simon's fish and chips. There's like at least 4 bits of fish you can see added, and then all the chips underneath it is huge. This is my hand. It's massive. And then I've got the wood-fired pizza, ham and pineapple, and peppers and onions. It looks lovely. It smells lovely. So I'll give you some feedback later. Okay, as it's our anniversary, they brought us it's a s'mores cupcake. So it looks really nice. It looks like it's got a s'mores thing on the top. So just had dinner, and we are now come out onto the veranda. Oh, somebody there, so bodyboard thing there. I mean, it's not going to be doing much in the water, is it? There's loads of people collecting shells on the beach. The shells are beautiful. We've picked up a couple. But you have to be off the beach by 9 at the latest. You're not allowed on with torches or anything because of the turtles.